We hit 85 today, 10 degrees away from the record, so we weren't even close today. The record 95 back in 1996, but up 23 degrees warmer than the normal high of 62. The morning low was 56. So 85 and 56 today. Outside right now, it's still warm. It's 78 with a south wind at 13. There's the severe weather risk as we head through tonight. And what's the threat? It's quarter-size hail at 60-mile-per-hour winds. That's all in the forecast. We have some rain that's falling right now off to the northwest. Watch this. That's the way the radar looks at 8 o'clock. And these little thunderstorms are the ones that could produce some 60-mile-per-hour winds and some quarter-size hail. That's 9 o'clock tonight. You can see where I'm talking. So not in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but I'm not going to rule it out. It moving off a little bit more to the southeast. At 10 o'clock, it's still to the northwest, and at midnight it's up around Wichita Falls and then in Oklahoma. Overnight it's just some drizzle and spotty rain showers, but then here comes the Arctic front. It's on top of DFW at noon tomorrow. So right before the front moves through, that's when we'll have our high temp for the day. Cold air, the front sags to the south throughout the day, and actually it's not going to sag at all. It's going to blast through, and as it blasts through, that cold air will just start pouring in. For example, 74 at noon tomorrow. Right before the front moves through is when we'll have our high. Temperatures drop into the 40s by 7 p.m. and wind chills tomorrow late afternoon will be in the 30s. Be prepared for that. That's 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Not a whole lot going on. So there's not really any rain to speak of during the day tomorrow or tomorrow evening. Some drizzle, maybe a couple spotty showers, but most of us will remain dry. It's overnight Wednesday night towards sunrise on Thursday, actually pre-sunrise, because look what's happening. This is sleet and freezing rain. It's not heavy, but it doesn't take much to create big problems. That's 7 in the morning Wednesday. That's noon Wednesday. See, it's just not widespread heavy, but it doesn't matter because it's a glaze, it's a coating of ice as we head through the day Wednesday. This is 10 o'clock Wednesday night. It's just on and off as we head through the day. Then finally on Thursday by noon, the freezing stuff moves back to the west because temperatures will warm above freezing by lunchtime on Thursday. And we're looking at a cold rain Thursday afternoon with a little bit of sleet still mixed in. But problems without a doubt are in my forecast. So where am I talking? Most likely area for problems would be from Denton to near Fort Worth and then off to the west. And that could be some icing on bridges, roads, overpasses. So really anything that you're going to, I mean, what's left? Bridges, roads, and overpasses, that kind of covers it all. And even if you're flying, maybe you have your helicopter, I don't know. But we're looking at problems all over the area. It's light in Dallas-Fort Worth. So this red color, whatever color that is real light ice, but still big problems. These purple shaded areas, it's heavier ice. So I'm talking a glaze or a coating Dallas-Fort Worth. I'm talking a tenth to maybe a little bit more in this area in purple. And then this light purple, that's just some isolated slick spots in East Texas and Southeast Texas. But certainly the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Wednesday night and during the day, morning hours Thursday, problems. What about school cancellations? I'll be shocked if school isn't canceled. And as I've been telling you on the tweeter, I'll make those decisions later and I'll keep you updated. Okay, here we go. Here's the forecast for the temperatures the next 6 days. 74, that's the high on Wednesday. That's the high on Thursday in the 30s. We warm up to a brutal 42 degrees on Friday, and then we're in the 40s and 50s for the weekend. My forecast tonight has that in it. 63, warm and muggy tonight. Tomorrow we hit 74 right before the Arctic front moves through. And then it's cold with a wintry mix on Wednesday and on Thursday. We have that in the forecast. And then we even have a little bit of rain in the forecast for this weekend.